So, bagong build. This is a Tokyo Marui SG09. Originally, ang mga Tokyo Marui, they have a plastic slide. So, you cannot use green gas. So, we usually use 134A gas or white gas. So, in this case, si Sir, hindi siya kontento hindi siya happy ng he's using white gas. He wanted to use a green gas. So, sabi ko, sige, we can make it possible. We'll order the metal slide. So, yeah, we ordered the metal slide along with the compensator. All one piece siya, isang set. And then kasama yung extractor na dummy na moving. So, very nice. Meron siyang yung cover dito nasa storage kasi nahuhulog eh. So, I'll put glue pa for it to be fixed. So, anyway, without further ado, testing natin. It's really nice kasi since it's metal slide na, super hard yung kick niya. Ganda. And then also, nagpa-custom ako ng slide lock. So, anyway, testing natin. Fining. Oops, safe. So, yun. Napakaganda. Isa pa. So, gas is empty, pero hindi meron pa. So, hindi ko kasi pinull yung magazine. Anyway, we also modified the inlet for it to take green gas. So, yan. Again, thank you very much, Sir J. I won't mention your name, but napaka-nice na build. Thank you.